Getting at least 5,000 followers is one of the requirements you must meet on Facebook to be able to be monetized. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get 5,000 followers in less than 30 days. It's not a rocket science as it aims, and it is very simple, it is safe, and it is easy. So follow me through as I teach you how to get your 5,000 followers on Facebook. We all know that Nigeria has now been added to the list of monetized countries on Facebook. This is good news because we can now apply for monetization. So to be monetized, you need to turn your Facebook profile into professional mode, or you need to have a Facebook page. I've already done a video on how to convert your Facebook profile into Facebook professional page. You can see the video right here, and also how to create Facebook page from scratch if you don't know how to do that. I also created a video about the ultimate guide to Facebook. You can go check this video right here. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to get at least 5,000 followers so you'll be able to get monetization. And this step is simple, it is free, it is easy. So you will not have any issues. So follow me through the end of this video. You don't want to miss any step. So come closer and focus. The very first thing is to optimize your profile. You need to make sure that your profile is follow worthy. Like whenever someone comes to your profile, click on your profile, they'll be like, okay, I want to follow this person. So you need to make sure that it looks good for people to follow. So let's go right to our screen and let me show you how.
So now to edit your profile, you go over to your profile. So I just click on my profile here, and then this is it. So make sure you have a headshot of your picture. You can see I blurred the background of this image. My picture is showing my head to half. Am I going to say? It's showing my headshot, and then you can change it. But then again, the next thing you should look for is your cover photo. So I will just add a cover photo because I don't have here. So I'll just click on upload, and then I've already done this. So it will just load up. You can see content marketer, social media strategist. So I'll save changes. So your cover photo gives at a glance what you do. So once anybody come here right now, they just know, okay, I'm content marketer, I'm social media strategist, and my name is Blessing, even without looking at my profile, though it's still there, and I teach you how to make money online. So the next thing you should do after you've done your profile picture, your cover photo, is your bio section. You should write a brief of your bio section. Here you can see add bio. This is an account I created not quite long. Was it this year or last year? I created it and I just left it. I've not really used it because it was last year I created it. Someone tried to hack into my other Facebook account, so I needed to get a Facebook before collecting it. I was able to retrieve my Facebook back, so that was why I have not been using this again, but I'm still going to optimize it now. So just have to add bio. This is a brief description of what you do. You can add links here too. So I'll just write a very short details of what I do. Business and digital skill teacher. I think this is cool. You can still write content. Okay, let me just write it. Content marketer. Content marketer. Then I'll just use this line. I think I'm cool like this. So this is just a brief summary that will show up once your profile is shared. You get it? So you can just edit your bio, and that's to add more things. And then works at self-employed, study this. Okay, now talking about this. These are the details that are very important for you to feel like your location. I said lives in Benin City. From Benin City, you can change this. It doesn't necessarily mean it's where you live, especially for a new account. If you want to get people from, let's say, Lagos, now you have to change this lives in Benin City to Lagos, so that Facebook will in turn recommend people that live in Lagos. If you know that, okay, your business entails people that are in Lagos and you want to do business with people that are in Lagos, so you need friends that are in Lagos, so you just have to change your location where you live to Lagos. It's very, very important to optimize this. So we are done, and then we've saved. You can actually edit the cover photo again. And then this is one thing, just make sure you use your brand color. Just like me, I always use black, white, then a touch of that gold, pink, a blue, and all of that. So it's good to have a consistent color. It's just a brief tip. So you can edit these details here. Let me show you how to edit your location. And let's say you have a very difficult name, you can add the pronoun here so that people will be able to pronounce it. So current town, I want to change my current town to, say, Lagos. Okay, this is how to change it. Lagos, Nigeria, and save, and then to show publicly. So these are just the brief settings. We'll go here.
The second thing we need to do is to write a post about you. You can actually add picture or video or just write a post, but I suggest and I advise you add a picture or video. You know, humans, we love engaging stuff, and picture and videos are always engaging. So you need to write a brief about you, what you do, what you sell, and all of that if you sell stuff.
Make a post and pin this post. So let's just make a post. Let me show you briefly. I'm listening, content marketer. I'm for jobs, digitalpreneur with expert in social media management. You can see what I do here. And then, have you gotten my ebook, Digital Marketing, the key components? See, guys, if you have not gotten this book and you want to start making money online, I don't know what you are doing, no. So you can go click on this link and get this ebook. I'll drop it on the description below and also on the comment section, so you go get the book. This book is a must have. This ebook is a must have for you. I love you and I want you to start breakthrough on your digital journey. So I recommend having this book, and it's actually on discount. So just put a brief detail about you. So for jobs, deals, and consultation, phone number. And I actually have a website here. You can see this is the book in case you go online on seller. So I think this was just you can add photos and all of that, but I don't want to add for the sake of this tutorial. You can add later on. So with introducing yourself, okay, let's say you're an old account. Like for this one, it's not just a new account. You get to introduce yourself, help people know you, know what you do, know what you're all about. And whenever somebody comes here, they'll be like, okay, this is who Blessing is and all of that. So one other thing is, after posting this, I need to pin it by clicking on these three dots. Once the post has gone into like 2 days or 3 days, you can be able to pin it by coming over to this place, and then the option for pin post will appear. Now the next thing for we to do after auditing our profile, after optimizing it, is to go to friends. And then if you have friend requests, you accept them. I think before this tutorial I accepted friend requests, so that's why you're not seeing, because this is not just a new account. That's why I have friend suggestions. So if you're creating a very new account that you're creating it that day, you will not really have suggestions like this, except you'll be suggesting for based on your city. So I will now add friends. You can add like 30 friends this morning, in the morning, and then later on you had like 30 friends. I don't just send friend requests to everybody, not just everybody. So I'd suggest you send like 30 friend requests now, and say in the morning, and then in the evening send like 30 friend requests again.
You can also use the search button to add friends. Just type in the city or the state you want to get friends from, and then you see a list of people that you would like to follow. So let's see it on our screen.
So another thing you can also do, especially when your account is new, is to use this search bar to search for, let's say I want to search for friends in, which city are we going to use now? Say in Benue. Let me use Benue for instance. I've stayed in Benue. Or should I use Benue or instead Makodi? So you see Benue news, I'm just giving instance, and then you see pages, you see groups, Nigerian requests. Of course, this will show because I'm a crosser. Red though. So you see people here that are from Benue. You can actually add, say you want to start adding, but if you just add Lagos, you can see Otache, and then you fill it, digital creator, you stay a digital creator, so you can follow. I'm not following for the cause of this tutorial. Okay, let's say this one, I'll just add Emmanuel, I'll just JB patient. This is from my church. So just add people, especially if your account is new. So you adding your location, precise location that you want to get friends from, and then searching for locations will give Facebook the let's say idea. We help them know that you want friends from so and so city, so they will suggest you friends from this city. I don't know if you understand. Like, once you have done it, you have optimized your profile, or by editing, you have made a post, and then you've already gotten friends. Like the main thing now that I said is had like 30 friends in the morning, had like 30 friends in the evening. Don't had like 100 at the spot. No, I don't advise such. Probably Facebook will be like, why are you spamming people? You get, so that's you had like 30 in the morning and then 30 in the evening. Also use your city.
So after optimizing your photo, after editing your profile and all of that, the most important step, in fact, I tag this one the most important because of course it is the most important, because if you don't do this, you will not get more followers, you will not retain your followers. So this most important step is to post engaging content. It is very important to post engaging content. Just imagine you coming on Facebook and be like, you post a video about hi, and then you start smiling. You don't have any content. You don't look kind of fun, except you're on the comedy niche. Even if you're on the comedy niche, you need to create something that's very engaging. People will not engage to your post. People will not like, they will not comment. Of course, people, some persons, maybe your family members, they might be like, okay, let me support you, and they just click on the like button, and that's it. You need to create engaging posts. This is very important because the quality of content you create will attract more people. This will make people to engage on the post, make people to like your post, it will make people to comment on the post and probably share. So it is very, very, very important to create engaging posts. You can create normal posts, story, reels. I advise reels to get more engagement, because while you're just scrolling, you know, most of the times Facebook, even on Instagram, YouTube, they'll just suggest for you, they'll just give you suggestion for you, why you just, okay, just see this picture. And if it's a valuable content, the person about, wow, this thing is funny, or this thing is very educating, if you're into the educational niche, if you're into the comedy niche, or if you're into the movie niche, you'll be like, oh, this thing is cool, let me just click on like. You get it. But if it's not engaging, I'll be like, before 2 seconds, what kind of nonsense is this? Yeah, just fast. They'll just click away from your page. So it's advisable to post engaging content, educative content, comedy, anything, as far as you know that it is engaging. So take our time to create quality content.
Go over to post. This is very important. Like, what's in your mind? You can use live video, photo, video, or anything. So it's important to post. You get it? Now, post valuable content.
After creating content, and in fact before creating content, I suggest that you go out on your Facebook, go and comment on people's posts. Comment quality comments. Don't go and be like, fine, okay, no. So if you comment reasonable comments on people's posts, this will attract more people to your profile. I do this a lot. Okay, say someone comments something that resonates so much to the comments, I'll be like, let's give an instance on educative post, and they'll be like, okay, this post is so amazing, you did this, you did that, blah blah blah, and then it makes sense. People will be like, oh, who is this person that has sense? Who is this person that has sense that's commenting like this? Let me just click on the person profile. I know you've done your assignment on your channel. Oh, I'm using channel. Because I talk so much about YouTube. Okay, you've done your assignment by optimizing your profile, your Facebook profile. And then this thing, you have already attracted, you're using inbound marketing now. You've already attracted the person by commenting a reasonable comment to a person's post, probably even if it's a celebrity or someone that has followers. And then the person will be like, okay, let me come to your profile. And then the person now comes to your profile and sees that, okay, your profile makes sense, let me just follow this person. Person click follow, or probably the person just view your content, and the more the person view your content, Facebook will continuously suggest your content to the person. I advise you comment on people's posts like 20 times a day. Okay, let's break it down. Could be like 10 times a day, 10, 20 times a day, as much as you can. Commenting on people's posts will expose you out there, and since you've done your assignment, it will bring them into your house, yes, your Facebook house. And then it will retain your profile, now will retain these people, therefore giving you followers. Trust me, once you follow this process, you're definitely going to come back and thank me. Thank you for staying to the end of this video. If you're new here and you've not subscribed, click on that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I post any content. And also, if you have questions related to this topic or another topic, you can just write it out on the comment section. I'll respond to you on the comment section. If it's something that needs me to create a video, I'll definitely do it just for you. Alright guys, thanks once again. Don't forget to like this video and share with your friends and family. Until next time, bye.